Way to transition from warm weather to winter weather. People who live in a tropical country enjoys warm weather all year. This is because the tropics get more exposure to the sun. The tropical seasons are broken up into only 2 seasons. Number 1. The wet season, otherwise called the rainy season. Number 2. The dry season, otherwise called the sunshine season. People leave their tropical country and move to various countries that have a winter season. Most of these people tend not to like the winter season and complain that the weather is very cold. One of the main reasons why people complain that they are cold is because they don't dress properly. Here is a list of the must-have clothing you need to keep warm during winter. Number 1. A hat that can cover your head and ears. Number 2. A scarf that can make a few wraps around your neck. Number 3. A tank top for women and a sleeveless shirt for men. Number 4. A long sleeve shirt or blouse to wear over the tank top or sleeveless shirt. Number 5. A hoodie jacket to wear over the long sleeve shirt or blouse. Number 6. A down puffer winter jacket that can withstand wind and rain. This type of jacket will keep you dry, warm and protect you from the wind. Number 7. A cotton thermal long johns for men and a thermal tights for women to wear under their pants. Number 8. A cotton or jeans pants to wear over the thermal long johns or tights. Number 9. Winter socks to wear with your winter boots. Number 10. A insulated water resistant winter boots that can keep your feet warm and dry. Number 11. Knitted gloves to keep your hands warm and dry. Number 12. Winter ear muffs. This item is optional. You can use your knitted hat to cover your head and ears if you are not a fan of ear muffs. You now have your winter clothing list for the winter season. You are guaranteed to keep warm during the coldest winter seasons. Please try the winter clothing tips. If it does not work, then share your comments in the comment section. Happy winter!